Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to lock your BMW X3. We'll cover two straightforward methods to secure your vehicle effectively. First, we'll explore using your remote key fob for quick and convenient locking. Then, I'll show you how to use the physical key for manual locking, which is a great backup. By the end, you'll feel confident in keeping your X3 safe and sound. Using your remote key fob is the easiest way to lock your BMW X3. Simply press the lock button, which usually has a padlock icon, one time. This action secures all four doors and the trunk. For added security, press the lock button a second time within 10 seconds to arm the alarm system. You'll see the indicator lights flash once or twice, confirming your vehicle is locked and protected. Sometimes, you might need to lock your X3 manually, perhaps if your key fob battery is low. Find the small keyhole on the driver's side door handle, often hidden under a cap. Insert your physical key and turn it clockwise about 90 degrees to lock that door. If other doors remain unlocked, you can manually push down their lock pins from inside before closing them. This ensures complete security. Here are a few extra tips for locking your BMW X3. Always double-check that all four doors and the trunk are completely closed before attempting to lock. If your remote key fob isn't working, try replacing its small, coin cell battery, typically a CR2032. For ultimate convenience, explore the BMW Connected Drive app, which allows you to lock your vehicle remotely from your smartphone, offering peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.